We are finding very, very different demographic of candidate coming towards the automotive industry now, and I think a lot of the technology side is attracting them. Certainly, you know, with some of the brands, particularly where there is a higher level of visible technology, that is attracting a very, very different, more techie focused individual rather than a bit of, you know, the sort of traditional petrol head and car enthusiast. So yeah, it is changing it, and I think what that will mean is that we'll get a very, very different talent coming in, different sort of mindset and skills, but hopefully they'll bring a different view to sort of how we drive the industry forward.
The technology, you know, you have to be really switched on. Youngsters embrace the IT side of things, so they really quickly switch on and understand what's involved in the technology of the vehicle. So I think that's the biggest influential factor, I think.
Right, who can use a keyboard, and several will put their hands up straight away. Right, let's delve into here. You tell them what vehicle they're looking for, and now they can get to that process very, very quickly.
I think with the younger generation, where they're always on their phones, they play the PlayStations and things like that, technology and things like this is second nature to them, and I think it helps them enjoy their jobs as well. I don't think it's been very hard for them to pick up, and once they've seen things in motion with the boards and everything, I think it's been very enjoyable for them. So yeah, I think they have picked out well. And to be honest, I think I probably could have put the tool into their hands, and they probably could have done it themselves for me. So
great turnout this morning, once again this afternoon, and just like Mike said, it's great to be here in front of some very, very well engaged young learners, and hopefully trying to encourage them and direct them a path for a great future.
I think from a product point of view, yeah, we all work with compliant materials. The compliant materials also falls hand in hand with the carbon footprint or with the CO2 emissions, for example. Yeah, I would say from a large group we had this afternoon, the questions and the interest surrounding that. Well, let's be honest, it's our environment, and the longer we can make that better globally, the better it is for them, and they see the importance of that as well.
With family apprentices, or really engaged with this. It's something they can just get hold of, get a sander, get a polisher, and really get involved with it.
What I have seen today, and I think it's maybe your process of getting the guys here today, to the last one I did, which was yours, by the way, I see a lot more potential and a lot more focus, and the people want to be there. You could see that actually I'm not just going for a job, this is the business I want to be in.
What I've also seen is it's not just them, it's them who are actually interested rather than their parents telling them you need to go and get a job and stuff. It's actually the young person that's showing the enthusiasm and the want to go into something a lot more technical.
As Andy said, the engagement from the young ones today is fantastic. I think this is the future. Me being in the trade since 1977 and serving my apprenticeship back then, to see young youth come in today, it's great to be able to part of what we do.
It's really good to see some young girls as well engaging with us. That's a good thing.
The nice thing is that they've all been interested, they all want to learn and take on board. Can't fault the door. Don't mind giving me Saturdays up for this.
I think what's also nice is that we're seeing more females coming towards the industry as well. So I think, you know, the sort of sort of historic sort of non-attractive to female persona of the industry is being dispelled, and you know, young females feel comfortable to come into this industry now, which is great. You know, that's a massive change.
I think they understand that the manufacture of vehicles is changing, and obviously they've got to keep up with that. But they're new to the trade. A lot of them would just, wow, do we do that?
They asked the right questions. They seemed really keen. A couple of the guys this morning really sort of delved into some really technical questions, which caught me off guard, which was really good.
Once we start going digital and you're looking at your iPad, you're looking at the equipment we've got, which is far more modern than it's ever been, that's where you do get the interaction, and that's where the questions come in. If we're actually catering to the older audience, I would say, there won't be as much interaction, that is for sure. The younger generation, they want to move forward with the latest technology.
And they enhance that technology and want to use that technology as well, which is really good to see the digital cameras and that sort of thing.
Already, yeah, just walking down here today and then literally coming on, we can have them doing it. And the good thing is when they leave this station and go on to the next one, which is more of an estimate, and you think, well actually them young guys now know exactly what to do because they've just done it here. doing it once, they can do it over there very quickly. And then the next bit, they're actually diagnosing a vehicle. For me, that's where we should really capitalise on the young and the youth coming into the industry today.
And sort of dispelling the myth that it's a dirty, greasy industry. There's a lot of very high-tech equipment, not just in the vehicles themselves, but in repairing.
It's always been earmarked as a dirty workshop environment, but you can see here today how clean the environment is for these people.
It's a Saturday today, so they've actually taken their own time to come. They're not in college during the working week and they've got to come along. They've actually wanted to come along, and they're the key type of people we want within the industry, of people that want to be part of it.